Calculations with fractions. Solved example. Let us solve the following real-life problem. Factory workers share a pizza during their lunch break. The pizza has 18 slices. Henry gets 5 slices. Muzi, who is the manager, gets 6 slices. Benny gets 3 slices, and Beauty gets 4 slices. What fraction of the pizza does each worker get? Recall that a fraction is a part of a whole. It is made up of a numerator and a denominator that are separated by a horizontal line. In a common fraction, both the numerator and denominator are whole numbers. 1/4 is an example of a fraction. 0,7/4 is not a common fraction. You can also use a fraction wall to add fractions. 1/9 plus 4/9 plus 3/9 equals 8/9. Let us now work out the fraction that each worker gets. 1 pizza equals 18 slices. 1 slice equals 1/18. Henry gets 5 slices, 5/18. Muzi gets 6 slices, 6/18 equals 1/3. Benny gets 3 slices, 3/18 equals 1/6. Beauty gets 4 slices out of 18. 4/18 equals 2/9. 5/18 plus 6/18 plus 3/18 plus 4/18 equals 18/18 equals 1 pizza. Write the slices as fractions that are out of 18. To add fractions, the denominators must be equal. Notice that when you add all the fractions together, they make up a pizza. Recall that equivalence of division means that one division problem has the same value as one or more other division problems. 4/5 divided by 2/5 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Equals 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Let us now solve the following problem using equivalence of division and fractions. My friend Hope bought 12 cupcakes and she ate 4. How many cupcakes are left? 12 minus 4 equals 8. Cupcakes left equal 8. What is the equivalence of division of 8/12 divided by 1/3? Recall that equivalence of division refers to one or more division problems that produce the same quotient. A quotient is the result of dividing numbers. 8/12 divided by 4/12 equals 8 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now, let us find the equivalence of division of 8/12 divided by 1/3. Write the cupcakes in fraction form. Total number of cupcakes equals 12. 1 cupcake equals 1/12. Cupcakes eaten equals 4/12. Then subtract cupcakes eaten from total cupcakes. Remaining cupcakes equal 12/12 minus 4/12 equals 8/12. To get the equivalent division of 8/12 divided by 1/3, multiply both 8/12 and 1/3 by 12. 12 is the lowest multiple of both 12 and 3. Therefore, 8/12 divided by 1/3 equals 8 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Note that you can also work this out by changing 1/3 to 4/12, and then 8/12 divided by 4/12 to get 2. Another way, 1/3 equals 4/12. 8/12 divided by 4/12 equals 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Therefore, the equivalence of 8/12 divided by 1/3 is 8 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The answer is the same.
Need more help? Ask Maski to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.